This video is intended for educational use and features substantial original commentary throughout.
Car just crashed. Hey. What the f is happening? Just wait, don't go anywhere. Dude, you're bleeding. You're bleeding. I got him. Call 911. Hey, I just watched a car crash on the main road and now he's running. He didn't crash into someone. Okay, now he's finally pulling over. Yeah, but you just smashed your car. You are gushing blood from your forehead. Yeah, you can't just go. Or
I will lose my life.
I don't care. You gotta stop, dude. I know, but you're bleeding from your head and your car is total.
That way I will be okay.
I don't care. Dude, I can't just let that go. I can't. The business in front of me is Bebop and Bundles. I do not. Well, he's running again.